Let's get those good endorphins flowing with a total body stretch designed to increase flexibility, improve mobility, and enhance your overall well-being, all while using a chair for support. So go ahead, get comfy, grab your chair, and let's dive into this rejuvenating routine together. Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, moving into shoulder rolls. Lift your shoulders up, back, down, and around, gradually increasing your range of motion. Stay connected to your breath as you switch directions. Lift your shoulders up, forward, down, and around, refining this movement by relaxing the muscles at the base of your neck. Release and return to center, moving into a gentle neck stretch. Sitting tall, relax your right ear towards your right shoulder. Reach your right hand across your body, placing it to your left shoulder. Keeping your shoulders down and back, feeling a gentle stretch through the left side of your neck, all the way down into your left shoulder. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Sitting tall, relax your left ear towards your left shoulder. Reach your left hand across your body, placing it to your right shoulder, keeping your shoulders down and back, feeling a gentle stretch through the right side of your neck, all the way down into your right shoulder. Release and return to center, moving into shoulder shrugs. Lift your shoulders up towards your ears and release, relaxing. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, noticing how your exhalations begin to ease away any tension. Release and return to center, moving into a cat-cow stretch variation. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue flowing with this movement. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, and with each exhale, round your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest. Release and return to center, moving into a seated twist variation. With your hands to your thighs, begin to gently rotate from right to left, moving from your waist rather than your hips, arms, or shoulders, allowing this twisting action to re-energize and nourish your spine. Release and return to center, moving into a gentle hip opener. Cross your right leg over your left. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward from your hip creases, feeling a gentle stretch through your right outer hip and low back. Lift your torso to upright and release, repeating on the opposite side. Cross your left leg over your right. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward out over your legs, folding forward from your hip creases, feeling a gentle stretch through your low back and left outer hip. Release and return to center. Moving into a one-legged seated forward bend variation. Extend your right leg forward, flexing through your right heel. Place your hands to your left thigh for support. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward out over your legs, keeping your core engaged and your spine long, folding forward from your hip creases. Stay connected to your breath as you lift your torso to upright and release, repeating on the opposite side. Extend your left leg forward, flexing through your left heel. Place your hands to your right thigh for support. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward out over your legs, folding forward from your hip creases, feeling your mind calm, stretching through your back body. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, lift your right leg. Begin to point and flex through your right foot, feeling a gentle stretch through the top of your foot, sole, and ankle. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Begin to point and flex through your left foot, waking up the energy of your left foot and ankle. Release and return to center. With your hands to your thighs, begin to alternate between lifting through your toes and lifting through your heels, pressing down through the balls of your feet. Continue with this movement as you lower your heels, lift and spread through your toes, flexing the tendons through the tops of your feet. And as you lift through your heels, press down through the balls of your feet, spreading your toes. Release and return to center. Interlace your fingers and rotate your palms away. Reach your arms overhead. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, adding a lateral stretch. Inhale at the top. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue stretching from right to left, keeping the weight even in your hips, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, breathing wide into your side body. Release and return to center. Reach your right arm forward and use your left hand to gently draw your right fingers back towards your body, feeling a gentle stretch through your wrist, hand, and forearm. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Reach your left arm forward and use your right hand to gently draw your left fingers back towards your body. Continue lengthening through your wrist, feeling a gentle stretch through your wrist, hand, and forearm. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, as it'll help YouTube remind you to stay on your fitness journey. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.
To purchase a copy of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on DVD, visit happyyoga.tv. And to gain access to over 100 episodes of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr, visit happyyogaondemand.com.